Hi guys, Isha this side and I hope you are doing really well. Today I'm going to tell you about one cool feature in Excel, that is camera. You can easily use this feature to take any snippet and then can share it. So this saves you from extra step of using any outside tool like snipping tool to take the snapshot. Let's quickly see how we can do it. So if you see, there is a camera icon in this toolbar. If you are not able to see it in your Excel, you can easily enable it. Let me first disable it. Just go to this toolbar, right click and select this option of customize access toolbar. Then go to all commands and select camera option from here. Just click on C and you will see a camera, add and select this. Now you can easily see this camera icon. Select the range of data for which you need to take a snippet. Say I just want the snippet for this 5-6 rows only. I'll select it and click on this camera, and now I have this plus icon appearing. As soon as I click it anywhere, this copied data gets pasted. So one very interesting thing here is that if you make changes in your source data, it will get reflected in the copied image. What I mean by that is, say if I am making changes in January figure, I am changing it to 100. So if you see, it get reflected in the new image on real-time basis. So this is also one of the reason it's better than taking a snippet. Now you can easily drag and drop this snippet to your WhatsApp chat or any email or maybe Word file or other Excel file. So just explore this feature and make sharing easy and time saving. I hope this is useful to you guys. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye.